My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called autoplay. The developers of the extension indicate that by installing it, you will be able to skip or block video ads. At first glance, it looks as if this extension is helpful to some categories of people, but in reality, this particular extension, once installed, starts operating as a typical adware. It displays the great portion of ads not related to the sites that you visit. These ads can be multiple and definitely they will keep distracting you, essentially. So we recommend you to remove any unwanted browser extensions that were installed without your intention. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find this autoplay extension as enabled, simply disable and remove it completely. This should fix the issue pretty well. I also recommend that you additionally examine your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, go to this page, download Combo Cleaner, install the application, then start researching and investigating your computer to detect and delete other infections fully from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.